Today's featured advertiser is eXp Realty Natchez. It's another unboxing. How funny that you're the one unboxing this particular thing.
Well, I asked them to send us a dead body.
Yeah. There are some suspicious oily residue spots on that box.
There really are, aren't there?
Yeah.
What those are about.
Is it a dead body? I believe it is. I see a hand.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Is it a dismembered dead body? Oh, I don't see a hand. I just see bubbles. Oh, but there's a torso. There she is. The first of the mannequins for the Royal We has arrived.
I guess we'll, there's a hand. I guess we'll do the rest of this at the store.
Yeah. Not creepy at all. What's happening, Kevin?
What? I found a spreader. It's a good
But
spreader.
what are we doing here?
Oh, we're looking for stuff for the Royal We.
Yeah, and what did you find?
A spreader.
A spreader. And do you need a spreader?
I do, and I do in Natchez.
Oh, well, how are you going to get it back to
I
Natchez?
can't. That's the problem.
Oh.
So I don't have room. So.
Okay, then I don't think you need the spreader, even though it's $10, right?
Can I have this little rocking horse?
No, no, you can't.
Okay.
Now what'd you find?
This is a good dolly. Look at this. Look at that. What do you think they want for this dolly?
It appears they want $46 for that dolly.
46. Where do you see that? Oh.
On that bright pink tag that says $46.
Yeah, that's too much. Well, are you going to find anything not in this booth?
I don't know. We're looking. We're gonna see.
Looking.
I mean, there's a lot more here.
Thrifty store.
More
Yeah, there's some possibilities.
things to dig
There's
through
some
here.
containers
Have we
there,
even
but different
told them what
sizes.
we're doing? I don't know if we've told them what we're
No,
doing.
so Lane is trying to buy things for her window.
To style my window display.
You already told them what it's going to be?
Did I? I don't know.
I think maybe.
Let's keep it a secret if I didn't. I don't think I told them exactly, so let's
Okay.
keep it a secret. But I have very specific things I'm looking for.
Yes.
And so far, I am not doing well.
So far, no good.
Oh my gosh.
Look out, so far.
And part of it is my problem, is my fault. Because I'm too much of I'm a literalist. Like, I've had a really amazing elephant piece in there that would have been really cool, but it doesn't work with the theme exactly. Like, there were not elephants. There were hippopotami, but there were no elephants. And then out here, we just found this incredible griffin column. Again, really cool. 99% of people aren't gonna know that this particular form is Persian. I'm gonna have to tell you what it is. We're doing ancient Egypt, okay? Because this particular form is Persian, Babylonian, not Egyptian, but I know. So even though it's a cool piece at a great price and it would look good in the window, I can't put it in the window.
We'll see how, if you,
If I stick to it,
if you stick to it, or
Okay.
if you compromise as you get
I'm
closer.
probably not going to. No,
Probably
it just
won't.
won't be in the window. Up and down and up and down and up and down. What you doing over here, Cinderella?
With my princess.
First, we must admire all the painted spots that I did. You're not admiring.
I admired already.
You already admired? Okay.
I already admired. You know, everybody who's watching this video is going to think I did nothing at the store today.
Well.
Because there's literally zero of me working.
Well, whose
But
fault
I
is
was
that? There it is. fired up. Gentlemen, ready for the royal relaunch. Lane, you ready to go? You got what?
Oh,
you got 28
sure. I
days.
got 28 days. So in the divorce,
September
bank got
1st.
all the fixtures, fittings, and equipment and inventory. I very sillily subordinated to the bank at one point. Anyway, so I got nothing but the brand and the space. So I have not an earring stand, not a hanger, not a button, pin, needle clip, stapler,
Steamer,
rolling
rack.
Oh, I can't even think about steamers and rolling racks right now. I have nothing, and I have
most importantly, no dresses.
no dresses, nothing, and I have to reopen an entire high-end women's clothing boutique in 28 days. So the race is on.
So, doesn't that sound fun to watch? Somebody else's misery.
Somebody else's extreme stress.
Yeah. So, I think it'll be fun. I think people enjoy watching
It will be the only time I've done something like this in 28 days. When we did the gift store, Curiouser and Curiouser, I completely remodeled the store, bought the inventory, and set up the
Painted the adorable
painted the banners, did all of that in
so
28 about 28 days.
Yeah.
I set that up in a month, less than a month. So if I could do that, I can do this. I just have to remember what needs to be done. That's going to be the big thing, is remembering what I don't have and what I need to get ordered.
Yeah, and have to switch brain between Hope Farm and Royal We.
And Living History Natchez. And oh boy,
Yeah.
I have so many things in my brain right now. It's not
We just
good.
think about this right now. I'll think about the rest.
Okay, all right.
All right, bye. It begins.
And it begins. This is what we're talking about. This is one,
Oh, here comes more.
I was going to say, there should be 7 boxes. I was counting. I was worried.
7 boxes.
Do you need my help? Do you need my help?
Oh, it doesn't matter. I have one more.
These are hangers.
So that was 7 boxes of new hangers. When I said we had nothing in the store, I meant nothing. We just got 210 white wooden hangers. So, one less thing, or one more thing, so that I need one less thing. Either way, we're getting there.
Either way, we got one.
One step at a time.
Aha! Beans, are you ready? Are you ready? Stanny's ready. Ted, are you ready? Oh, no. Jack, are you ready? No. Yeah, Jack's ready. Howdy, are you ready? Scouty Bear. Scouty. All right, what you doing now?
Now I am I'm doing dress selection.
You and Bean?
Me and B, we're doing dress selection. So it used to be, everybody keeps going, are you going to market? How are you going to get to market? How are you going to get your dresses picked? But we live in the 21st century. This was actually happening. This was starting to develop when I was a designer with one of these huge distributors / manufacturers, where you have a business portal and everything that they have, all of their collections are online, and all you have to do is go in and select. Now, I do still want to eventually go so I can see the products, touch the products, because they always look better in person than they do online, but there's so much of it that can be done from home. Also, because I was a designer and a manufacturer, I have contacts directly with distributors. But those distributors are a full 12 hours ahead of us. So for me to talk to them and to select from them, I have to stay up till like 2 and 3 in the morning. So it's part of the reason I'm so tired, right? Kevin will look over here at 2 in the morning and he's like, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm talking to the factory. I've got to get these dresses in here. So
Yeah.
a little bit exhausting, but
On
we're gonna have
that
them here.
and the custom things that you do.
Oh my gosh, the custom things.
It's
That's all working with
Yeah.
China, with my factory in China, directly. The same factory I've worked with for 15, 16 years, but he's only awake when it's daytime in China, when it's nighttime here. Now, we have a little overlap time early in the morning or late in the evening, but for the most part, it's 1, 2, 3 in the morning when I'm doing that. So this is one more piece of the puzzle we got to put together.
Now, do you want to tell them why you have to have these made in China?
Well, I mean, yeah, there's actually a big move right now, and we don't want to get too political at all, but to get the Chinese tariffs removed from women's bridal and formal wear, because we absolutely do not have the manufacturing capabilities, plants. The garment industry left the United States close to 50 years ago on this level, and then in the last 30 years has not existed in the United States at all. We have no technicians that can do this. We have no factories that can do this. We have no factories that produce, like I said, silks and satins and fabrics. We have no factories that know how to do hand beading. And those that do are your super, super, super high-end couture houses that are they're importing people who are doing this in India and China and Vietnam. They're importing them here, and then the cost per hour is so high. That's why a Zurher Murad or, you know, Zach Posen or one of those. That's why those gowns are $10,000 and $20,000 and $30,000, and that's what prom dresses would be if we had them manufactured in the United States. So they have to come from China and from Vietnam and from India.
Yep.
So that's what I'm doing. Filling the store right now. Got home from working all day at the store. Now I'm working all evening for the store. This is one of the reasons I left the business, because it is a 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week business. Even when you're on vacation, you're never on vacation.
I'm Tammy Pack.
I'm Jason Dahl.
I'm Marla Tobin. And we're eXp Realty, Natchez, Mississippi. Why buy Natchez? We have beautiful, affordable homes, gorgeous cottages like the one we're in today, with an average sold square foot price of just over half the national average.
Natchez has small town southern charm.
And front porch vibes. Our Restoration Nation, are you looking for a project?
Well, the state of Mississippi offers historic tax credits.
And it doesn't even have to be on a commercial building. It can be your personal residence. Wes and I just got our check.
Why buy Natchez?
It's the oldest city
On the highest bluff,
on the mightiest river in America. If you want to see all the beautiful listings in Natchez, follow us on Facebook.
Everyone who wants to see how we travel with 6 animals. There's Jack, there's Bones, there's Kittens. So we're all just in and going, traveling with the big 6.
Yeah, it smells really good in
It smells
here.
disgusting in here. But gotta take the whole family.
I gotta take the family.
Bones, did you hide from Mom and Daddy when we were loading up for like 20 minutes?
And hid.
Bad Bones is. But Beans is ready, boy. He grew up traveling, so he's ready to go, aren't you, handsome?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The second way is also like an event sponsorship. Like we're having like
In
a
the middle of a
lecture,
business
and
meeting.
this lecture is sponsored by Dixon Books.
Natchez.
You know, and so they're providing
6
some
animals
emotional
in the car.
experience. They can say a couple of words at the beginning about
This
this
is how we have
book.
enough
We
hours
actually
in our
sell
day.
the book.
Multitasking.
We have a
Okay, we have a new idea. Opening day. We're gonna have a wheel with prizes. Every panel you peel off, you get 1 spin on the wheel. And there's a tiny sliver on the spin the wheel, and it's 50% off the dress. Yeah. The rest of it's blank. Oops, try again. Oops, try again. That's our deal because we hate these. We hate these. I hate them.
The mandible claw.
Back in Mississippi. Home of the...
Might of Mississippi?
Sure.
I didn't know what you're
I
looking
don't know.
for.
What is the Mississippi home of? I don't know. But we're back. We made it back. Now we're going to go up to see what happened while we were gone.
Probably be grossly disappointed.
Yeah, that's, you know, when you're not here to keep things going, sometimes they don't go. So we'll see. I think I do see a lot more stripping has been done over here. But we will keep you posted and let you know what happened. Well, Austin, who was gone for a week, we do know was up here, what, today or yesterday?
Yeah, today I think doing this.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Shoot. You kidding me?
Varnish on. Beautiful.
at
Oh my
that.
gosh, look how good that one looks with varnish on it.
Look at
Does it
that.
have varnish on it or is it just that good? I think it's got varnish. Yeah, it's got a coat.
I think so.
Beautiful.
Man, these are impressive.
Spectacular.
Impressive. Look at that. Look at that.
Hello. Hi. Hi there. Oh. What you doing? That's supposed to be for Sylvester. You don't look like Sylvester. No, you look like Rocky. You look like Rocky the Macaroon. What you doing? What you doing? I see your little feet prints. Where you been putting food in that dirty water? Yeah. Hello. No, you're not going out there right now, T-Tuts. There's your raccoon right there. You're not going out there. I know that you'll tussle with that raccoon, but we don't want you to do that. Yeah. Hello.